Hey guys, this is Alice Rachel. I'm on a bike ride with my grandparents. Sorry, not my grandparents, just with my granddad and my brother. They're far back because I went really fast in front. It's kind of hard it's not that kind of hard using one hand, but since it's a bit windy, I'm trying to keep my hair out of my face. The reason why I'm making a video right now on my bike is because that where I am is a really nice, good place. Just trees. Wow. I'm coming up to a bridge where you can climb through up this hill to get to the bridge on top of it. But they've blocked it up for a reason. And that reason is because people used to do graffiti on it. I'm getting close to it. It's kind of hard, not trying to fall and keep my eyes close to where I'm going. See? Graffiti. 078212, can't see the rest. And I'm a bit far. Ow. Hello! Woo! They're right over there. Turn around. So yeah, it's just trees. Grandad! Are we going far right down there? Alright. Right now I'm going, I don't know what it is. Let's just say it's not path. Oh geez. I'm not going on the path because I there. This is not really safe, having your phone in your hand while recording and while riding a bike. Oh God, it reeks. I'm gonna have to walk it now. So over there is a construction site, I think. Ah, jeez. Ah, jeez. So yeah, ow. Now here comes the fun part. Yay. I'm not going to enjoy this, but here goes nothing. Actually, I've dropped my phone. Phone came out of my phone case. Sorry for the loud scream. I'm just not being used to riding bikes. Anyway, this is Alice Rachel and please subscribe.